Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. If e power y into x plus 1 equal to 1, then prove that d square y by dx square equal to dy by dx the whole square. Here it is in exponential, that is e power y. So you have to take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, what you get? We get log e power y x plus 1 equal to log 1. Now here it is in multiplication, log mn equal to log m plus log n. So that is equal to log e power y plus log x plus 1 equal to log 1. So log e power y is y plus log x plus 1 equal to log 1. Differentiating with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx plus 1 by x plus 1. In the differentiation of x plus 1 is 1, log 1 is 0. This one you have to take it as 1. This one we have to take it as 1. Next, again differentiating with respect to x, what you get? D square y by dx square plus, here it is x plus 1 the whole power minus 1, that is minus 1. Therefore here minus 2, here 1 minus, into differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of x is 1 equal to 0. Now d square y by dx square, here it is minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole square, minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole square, it is equal to 0. Now here from this, here that is from 1, what you get is dy by dx equal to minus 1 by x plus 1. Here it is minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole square. Therefore here you have to bring this one to the, here you have to bring this one to the next side. D square y by dx square equal to 1 by x plus 1 the whole square. Therefore this one equal to dy by dx the whole square, dy by dx the whole square. So d square y by dx square equal to dy by dx the whole square. So hence proved. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.